joking in between ourselves here, Buddy, to be honest, so, you know. Let's go, next 15x. 15x on the cash.
Okay, new round has started again. Newcomers welcome. Well, get your bets. You can bet on any number, any bonus round on the wheel. So, oh, Gorgar, you got 100x. Nice job there. I hope you guys got a nice multi from the previous bonus round, and let's get you some more. Biggest win today has been a 300x. You have to moonwalk to the next spin. Oh, you're giving me a challenge there. Cash and 5x top slot, by the way. Why not? That'd be cool to get. But, oh my. Cash on what? Oh! Guys, this is officially the best multi of the day. I am already telling you this. By the way. Got a nice 5x cash right now. Give us some hundreds, dude. We got a 500 on the board. Oh my, cash hunt. I'll praise the board. 2,500x. Girl, I need to calm down. Oh my. I cannot. This is my best win of ever. A cash hunt, dude. We're making history up in this place. We're making history up in this. My bunny strategy. What's gonna happen with you now? Guys, I'll give you like a moment of silence, okay? 2,500x somewhere there, yeah? Okay. Can't choose in between these two guys. According to my Robbie strategy, you know? Oh my. And now I'm gonna go with this one. If that's gonna be a 2,500, I'm just gonna... I don't know what. But, yeah. Hi guys. 2,500x here on the board somewhere. Best of luck. I want to see how many people are gonna get the 2,500x. I imagine those videos now on YouTube, like recording this big win. Now I'm just like jumping around like a psycho. Can't wait to see all of that. Okay, we're still waiting though. Knock knock. Who's what's happening? Okay. 119 players got a 2,500x, you guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Enjoy the win. Let's get back to the wheel right now. Hey.
They need someone to pretend it's real. Well, gambler, if you think that it's like manipulated, then why you are here, man? You know, it's like, what's the point? Since they already launched Crazy Coin Flip and Gonzo Cash, and how about Crazy Pachinko? It's actually what we are joking in between ourselves here, Buddy, to be honest, so, you know. Let's go, next 15x. 15x on the cash. Whee! Of course, it's gambling. Everything's controlled. Well, I have some news for you, Spooky Cash. Alright, anyways. Oh! Careful! Go inside! Let's go. Cash hunt 12, that 15x, baby. Here we are. Beautiful wall. Just look at it. 100x maximal over there. Slap a 15x. Slap it hard. 1,500x maximal. Just look at that board. So many 750. Ladies and gentlemen, 14 seconds for you to try to figure out where's that 1,500. Multipliers and icons not related in any way whatsoever. Enjoy. Good luck. So what you will be going for, eh? What you will be going for, ladies and gentlemen. Where is that 1.5K, 1,500x? What do you think? Where it is hiding from you? I don't know, honestly. And let's reveal what it was, if I will see it in such a board. I don't know, it's somewhere, but 17 of you got it. 904 of you got it. 750x. Yo! 4,754 winners. Dodge Gabri, MS Mikhail Zizo Campo, Sopwin Lazi. And newcomers, hi, gamble responsibly. We do have the autoplay option if you like to try it out. Allows you to play with your hands away. But be considerate. Where's Marta? I think she went home, man. You know, she needs some rest. Whee! Point Clip got a 2 times multiplier. I really like your hairline, bro. Thank you. I don't get that a lot. So, people, I'm gonna ask, opinion of strangers on my style. Should I shave my head? Oh. Crazy time, baby. Let's go. Give it some. Follow me. Welcome everybody to the biggest money wheel in the world. Yeah. We have the biggest one. Nobody has bigger money wheel than us. So in a moment you will have a chance to decide which of the 3 flappers you'd like to go with. Green, blue, or yellow. Once you have made your selection, there's no going back on your selection. If you're not going to make a selection, the selection will be made for you. So we got to spin a wheel, and whatever your flapper that you select lands is what you're going to get. Currently, 200x, the biggest multiplier on the wheel. Green squad 20x. Oh, 15 for the yellow and a 200x for the blue squad. We got the highest available one, baby.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.